The difference between Ikura and periods and the tirohanga Māori and tirohanga Pākehā is the mana and tapu of wahine. It connects us all the way back to Papatūānuku. Water is a symbol of whakapapa for us as Māori, and Waiwhiro or Ikura is also a symbol of whakapapa. It doesn't just connect us to here in Aotearoa, but it connects us to our whanaunga and to Moana-nui-a-Kiwa across the Pacific Ocean. The word Ikura actually comes from mai Ikura waka, and Kura waka is the region in Papatūānuku, her pubic region. Tāne, he wanted to create human life. He was looking for ira tangata, or the life essence. He asked his mother, where can I find ira tangata, the human essence, the life essence? And Papatūānuku directed him to Kura waka, and that's where he found the materials to bring forth Hine Ahuone, who is the first human or the first tīpuna in our whakapapa, mai Ikura waka, or from the pubic region, the whare tangata of Papatūānuku, our Earth Mother. The reason why Ikura was seen as such a sacred gift is because it carries the life force of our ancestors, all those who come before us, right back to our atua Māori. Different iwi and different hapu will have different variations of this pūrākau, but one variation of this story is that Tāne actually came into Te Ao Marama on the river of blood from Papatūānuku, so on her Ikura. And I think that's really special, that something that can be seen as dirty or shameful, that needs to be hidden in a Western perspective, it really centers me and brings me back to the way my tīpuna saw Ikura, was that it was a sacred vessel or a way of connecting between the different whakapapa lines.